Hi everyone, welcome back to Grow Kit. So it's absolutely gorgeous weather at the moment. It's 25 degrees today and it's boiling. So I'm just going to do a quick video today. I'm just going to be sowing some more carrots and some beetroots because both of them kind of failed. So I'm going to try again, not too late hopefully. I'll just turn the camera around and we'll get cracking. Alright, so I don't know if you remember, but in previous video we sowed carrots where the strings are and planted onions in between. Now this half's doing fine, although we haven't got that many carrots come up, hardly any. But this side here was all dug out by the dog or the cat. We did get a few carrots come up here, only a few. And I did plant 3 sunflowers there for some reason. I don't know why I did that, but hey ho. So today we're going to be sowing, just going to stick some beetroot and carrots in here, just in this little gap, just to make use of it. So my onions doing well, what's left of them. There's a couple more carrots popped up. There's one there. One there, just randomly where the dog dug, flicked all the mud and seeds all over the place. So that's where we're going to be sowing them. So I'll get sorted out and get back to you in a minute. The varieties I've got: beetroot Bolt Hardy and carrot Nantes 5, both of which you can sow up to July. So we're in June now, so we're good. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to broadcast sow these ones. All I'm going to do is give this a little water here. Then I'm going to sow the seeds directly on top. And then I'm going to cover them with some old compost and water them again and hope that that helps them to germinate better. And so I'll just set the camera up and then I'll get cracking. Alright guys, so I hope you can hear me. So all I'm going to do is just broadcast these carrot seeds across the area. Try not to get too many clumps all together. Alright, so I've tried to do that as thinly as possible. There was 2,000 in here, so I've used less than half. So there's probably still about 500 carrots in there, but we'll thin them out later if we need to. I'll just be happy if they germinate. And we're going to do more or less the same with the beetroot, but the seeds are a bit bigger, so we can be a little bit more careful with these. They're just a bit easier to sow because the seeds are a lot larger, but essentially I'm doing the same thing, just sprinkling them across this area. I can actually see these seeds, so I can try and spread them out a bit. I hope you can see what I'm doing, and I hope you can hear me. So I really do need to get a new microphone, but I'm trying to use my tripod a lot more to help the videos be a bit more stable. Right, so now what I'm going to do is give them another watering. I'm going to cover them up with a layer of compost. So I'm only putting a centimetre or two of compost on. Remove any grubs that you find, because these generally will eat roots. So here we go into the chickens. There's a wood louse there, but he's alright. So I'm actually just gonna water this again in a minute, just to help everything settle around the seeds. It should improve germination doing this, as long as I can keep it from drying out. So I'll probably be out here at least once, twice a day to water this. I'm just going to give it another water and try and level it off a bit. Gently pat it down as well, that should help. Right, so that'll do it, guys. Hopefully in a week or two we'll see these germinating. I'll keep you updated on them. So I'll get back to you in a second, and I'll show you something else. Alright guys, so I think I'm just going to plant out my pumpkins. I've got this space along here. I've taken the garlic out and what's left of the lettuce that was munched by slugs. I'll pull them up and they'll go to the chickens, but I'll probably just put two in for now, one where that lettuce is and one where that one is, so about 1 metre apart, and we'll see how they go. I'll save two, if they get eaten I've got two more to replace them with. So I'll just set a camera up and I'll get cracking. Alright guys, so I hope you can hear me. That's the soil prepped, ready to go. This is just manure and some compost, which was no dig. It's actually turned out quite nice. So all I'm doing is I'm going to put the plants where I want them. And out there and there. Let me spread this one out a bit more. I'm aware pumpkins need a lot of room. So these are 1 metre apart and they've got about a square metre each. I know that's probably nowhere near enough space, but if I need to I'll just let them roam around on the grass or whatever. So what I'm going to do is dig a hole. So, and take the label out, I can't read that anymore. These are Atlantic Giant, these pumpkins, so lovely roots on them. So you can tease them apart a bit, just to help them find their way, but you don't need to bother really. So I'm going to put him in there. That's one done. going to do the same thing with the other one. This one's actually, another one's germinated in there, because I did sow 2 in each pot. But obviously that one's germinated a long time after the other one. It's the same again, just digging a hole, any stones and rubbish out of it. Bits of slate, sticks, lumps of clay. Looks like glue off of the cardboard I used. I don't know, dig. But I'll do the same again with this one. It's going to take that little one out. I've got 2 more anyway, so. I'm just filling in around them and a good old press, making sure they're nice and firmly in. And this is all really quite damp anyway, so I might just give them a little water, but not much. So I'm just going to water them in now. Right around the base of the plant. And I'll keep these well watered for a good week until the roots have found their way into the soil, and then they should be alright with minimal watering. Same as potatoes, I haven't watered them since I put them in. Actually I did once, I would give them a fertiliser, nettle fertiliser once. That's all there is to it. People say don't spray the leaves of the plants, but it's alright if it's just water, natural. This is just from the spring, so from the stream. So I'm thinking that'll be fine. And I'll just stick this little seedling in the middle somewhere. I'll snap some of the roots, but you never know. Might be okay. So I'll just chuck him in there, give him a water, and see what happens. Alright, so I'll keep you updated on these. I'll get back to you in a minute. Alright guys, so we've sown carrot and beetroot seeds in here, and I've put some string across just to deter the cat from going straight in there and digging them up and doing a dump in there. And we've also sown, or planted should I say, our pumpkins in here and here. So yeah, so thanks a lot for watching everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you will subscribe to me if you did, and I will see you on the next episode. So thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you later.